guys, VMTHD here. Today we are going to take a look at some of the interesting tips and tricks which you can use if you have a Windows laptop or PC. So let's go. Over the years, the Windows search bar has improved and has been really useful. However, if you still find it hard to find your files, then there's an enhanced search setting you must enable. In the Search Settings homepage, search for Windows Search Settings. By default, the Classic mode will be selected. Enable the Enhanced Search Settings. This will make sure you get the files which you have had trouble locating. If you ever wanted to make your laptop feel like a tablet with icons of Android or other apps on your taskbar, then here is a way. Hop onto Microsoft Edge. Enter the website URL. Let's say YouTube. Now click on the Settings option on the right corner. Apps, and you can see Install this site as an app. Press that. Then you can see the website opening in a new icon. Right click on the YouTube icon and you can see Pin to Taskbar. Then close the window and you can see the YouTube icon over there. If you're someone who wants to make using laptop easier and fun, then you should check out the trackpad settings. Hop onto the search bar and search for touchpad settings. Over there, you can scroll down. You see 3-finger and 4-finger gestures. You can customize to any way you want. Over here, I've kept 3-finger gestures for changing audio and volume, and 4-finger swipe for switching app and showing desktop. Lastly, some keyboard shortcuts. Everyone wants to be a keyboard ninja, right? First, Windows Snip. Press Windows Shift S. You can access the default Windows Snipper tool. This is for rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, and full screen snip. Next up is for game mode. You can access game mode by clicking Windows G. Next shortcut key is for split screen. If you are someone who works with split screen, then this is for you. Press Windows and any of the arrow and you will be able to access split screen mode.